This is exciting! Okay. Don't you love it?
So you finally running far away from your history, but there's clouds over your head every time, and they keep following you with no clue of what to do. I can make it better if you let me shine. You like to put somebody else's
Wakaton to bisa.
I see the light of Atlas on your shoulder when so turn. I'm trying to be the ball and light and energy for you to grow. You see, you're just a flower who has never seen the sun. You're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones. The flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing old, one day you're gonna fold. Amazing how you go unbothered through the years, but if you just let go and fall into the garden that you grew, you would finally know that you don't have to be somebody new.
Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel! Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please naman, mag-subscribe ka na and hit the notification bell button sa baba at mag-thumbs up ka na rin kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to. Or kung magugustuhan mo, kasi hindi pa napapanood ng buong-buo. So I suggest, panoorin mo na siya. Thank you so much sa pagpunta sa channel ko, sa panonood ng video na to. It really means a lot to me. And totoo na to, pagpapatuloy ko na po ang aking YouTube channel. I'll be uploading every Saturday night for my Living Alone diaries. So please, if you have time or gawan nyo ng time, panoorin nyo, please support me by watching my videos. And kung naghahanap kayo ng typical Living Alone diaries na palaging nagluluto, well, hindi ito yun. Because I don't cook a lot. I'm not a cooker. I'm an eater. Eater, pangit. So, I went to the supermarket earlier kasi nga gusto ko talaga bumili ng fresh fruits. Lagi ako sa Save More na bibili because it's accessible, malapit sa akin. But when it comes to fruit, I always go to the marketplace because mas maraming fresh fruits doon and veggies. Pero napaisip ako na parang mas gusto kong mag-cook ng pasta for my first episode. Aww. Don't you love it? Char lang. Anyway, ito na yung mga napamili ko for today. Okay. Ito na. Ito na yung mga napamili ko for today because nga, gusto kong gumawa ng tomato, or should I say, fresh tomato pasta. Got pasta, got one Barilla. This is in linguine. Raspberry peach. Ewan ko ano to. Parang it's like a trail food. Magnolia Real Mayonnaise. I love Lady's Choice. Pero wala kasing maliit na available kanina. So ito na lang yung binili ko para, you know, cheaper. Bumili din ako ng tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes. Actually, kanina nung bumibili ako, ang dami kong nakuha. I mean, may kinuha akong ibang option na mas mahal. So napag-isip-isip kong mas mura pala to. Siyempre, doon tayo sa mas ikakatipid natin. Parmesan cheese. My favorite pineapple juice. Bumili na ako ng whole kernel corn. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng basil leaves. Ito yung kailangan natin para maging mas masarap ang ating fresh tomato pasta. Onion! Green onions. Garlic! Bumili na ako. May nabibili pa lang naka-peel na ng garlic. Hindi ako mahilig bumili ng sobrang daming garlic or sobrang daming onions because nabubulok lang siya sa akin because I don't usually cook every day because I have work and I have a feeling kasi na when I cook every day, parang mas magastos when you're living alone because very accessible naman dito sa area ko yung carinderia, may mga nagluluto, may Grab, may mga, maraming option. Let's cook na. Cook with me. Wow, cook with me. Okay.
Nothing like your smile in the morning. Following the lines on your cheeks.
Good thing I still have a leftover na extra virgin olive. Hindi pa lang makakasya.
As years go by, it's easier to find. Oh, easier to find. Oh, it's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay.
Hindi ko na kinaya. So, naka-aircon na ako kasi hagardo, Diyos ko. Yun lang yung isa sa mga hindi ko masyadong bet pag nagluto ko because lagi ako ang init. So, pawisin ako. So, hindi masyadong nakaka-pretty. Anyway, sobrang dami nung nagawa ko. I actually used half of the pasta, siguro around 250 grams. So, yun yung pag nagluluto ka as a single person. Pag mag-isa ka lang, sobra-sobra yung naluluto mo. I mean, kasi yung serving talaga, pagbibili ka ng ingredients and all. So, ito, kakainin ko ng late lunch, dinner, at mukhang aabot pa to kinabukasan. So, yun lang yung ayoko kapag ka nagluluto. Kasi paulit-ulit yung kinakain mo. Though, pwede mo naman siyang i-ref, pero kasi ako parang, pag nakikita ko siya, ayoko na niya, nakain ko na yan. I mean, kaya ko namang mag-ulit. Pero, nakakasawa lang yung paulit-ulit. Like, laging ito. For example, like today, pasta. Same pasta for 3 days. And this recipe na fresh tomato and basil pasta, sobrang dali lang nang gawin. Sobrang dali. I mean, ilang minutes mo lang siya gagawin. Very little time to prepare. So, I like it. Yeah. So siya. Or, I like it more cheese. Siguro, pwede ko pa rin siyang dagdagan ng more mozzarella cheese. Yun.
Nothing like a smile in the morning. Following the lines on your cheek.
Anyway, that's about it for today's episode. Kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, subscribe ka na and hit the notification bell button at mag-comment ka kung meron ka bang mga gustong videos na gawin ko or anything under the sun. Thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Ba't ka ako mag-aircon? Mainit? Or mga kaano sa audio ko? Sinakausap ko, sarili ka, okay,